Hey, what's going on? I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I'm going to show you how to check your washer fluid on this. This is a 2001 Lexus GS300. Pretty much the same for any Lexus GS300. The location, once you have your hood open, location is going to be in the same spot for 98 to 05, right up here. Obviously, you know when your fluid is empty, when your washers aren't working, but you just flip the cap up. Good fluid up here in New England. We got cold weather, so we want to have some good negative 20 fluid, and just carefully pour it in and fill it up. Once you've got enough in, make sure the cap is locked back down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.